This is a quick tutorial on how to use your 21-speed drivetrain. Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your 21-speed drivetrain effectively. So let's start off with the components in the drivetrain. The shifter is located on the handlebar. The derailleurs, front and rear, is located along the chain. At the back, you have a cassette or a freewheel, and in the front, a crank. Your drivetrain consists of many parts, but the part which you use to control the whole thing is on your handle, your shifters. The left shifters control your front derailleur and shifts gears 1, 2, 3 between these three chain rings. The right shifter controls your rear derailleur and shifts gears from 1 through 7. The leftmost cog is first, second and third. In the rear too, the leftmost cog is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh gears. On the rear, you have a 7-speed cassette or freewheel. The smaller wheel makes it more difficult but gives you good speed. The larger wheel makes pedaling easy while making the speed lesser. On the front, you have 3 cranksets, a small, a medium and a large. The small makes it easier while the large makes it go faster. The reverse of the rear. In the front, you use the bottom one to go from 1 to 2 to 3. And in the top, you use the trigger to go from 3 to 2 to 1. For the rear shifter, you use your thumb to shift from 7 to 6 to 5 all the way down to 1. And you use your forefinger to shift from 1 to 2 to 3 and all the way up to 7. Ideally, when you're starting off, avoid using your front shifters. Keep it in 2, which is a nice comfortable setting, and use only the right side for shifting. How do you select the right gear? Very simple. Make sure that it is comfortable. You're not finding it too easy to pedal or too difficult. Make sure that when it's in first gear in the front, at the back you use 1, 2, 3 or 4 only. When it's in third gear, you're using 7, 6, 5, 4. The reason behind that is very simple. When the chain is crossed, that is, if it's in first gear in the front and 7th at the back, there's a lot of tension on the chain which can lead to damage and breakage. So if you guys remember the beginning of the video, I had given a little hack where I said if you're beginning, use second gear. The reason behind that is very simple. If you're using second gear, you can use the entire 7 gears at the back. So This is a quick hack and, well, quite useful when you're starting off. And now, the easy way to get the best out of your gears is to go out, ride, and explore. So that's it for now. Until next time, safe ride everyone.